Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia from seizures and strokes to the cerebellum. I always talk about having a strong core to help your balance, which is true by doing abdomen exercises. By doing the Superman exercise, you are completing that full core workout that is more focused on the back part of your body. With the Superman, you are working your spinal erectors and glutes, and to a lesser extent, the hamstrings and upper back muscles. Always start with this workout by lying face down on the floor as demonstrated. I first begin, as you will see, with not pushing my arms out in front, and my arms and hands are more beside my head. You don't want to do this. Another thing you don't want to do, as I'm demonstrating at the beginning, is not lifting my head up and looking forward. When doing this exercise, ensure you always have your arms out in front of you, not tucked in, and look forward with every rep as you come up. I know this exercise seems easy, but it is not. You are basically doing the same thing as a crunch, but instead of working your front, you are working your back. Before I get into what to do correctly, I first want to say how difficult it is getting up and down is. As I demonstrate on how I get down. It's an exercise in itself, thus the reason why I wanted to show the Turkish get up. Link in the description below. Along with lifting your head up, looking forward, and having your arms out in front of you, all in the same motion, you want to lift your legs and feet off the floor as demonstrated. This will allow that full reverse crunch. At the top of each rep, do your best in holding there for a couple seconds. You may be extremely sore the next day after doing this exercise, but that's good and normal. With everything just said, you don't want to lift too far because you can strain and hurt yourself. We don't want you doing that. You can really hurt yourself by doing this exercise too fast. Don't go too slow, just a good steady pace. I recommend doing 3 sets of this exercise, such as I do 3 sets of 20 reps. Sometimes my feet cramp when doing this exercise. I might have to do some feet stretches because I should be plenty hydrated. I drink over a gallon of water a day and 1 glass of water with liquid IV in it, which contains all the essential electrolytes. If you don't do much exercising, it is still good to drink lots of water and look into liquid IV. The link to liquid IV is in the description below. Please help the channel out and bring awareness to ataxia, which is extremely rare, by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you.